Hi, this video is about the Nova 352 transport chair with handbrakes and flip-up arms. So the first thing I'm going to do is show you how to best take it out of the box. So go ahead and open it up and you'll remove the footrest. And then I find that it's easiest if you turn the box on its side, and then the transport chair can just roll out. Much easier than lifting it out of the box. All right, the transport chair will come fully assembled. So all you'll need to do is open it up, just give it a pry, push down on the upholstery, and then pull up the back. And you'll hear it click and lock in place. All right, then all you have to do is put on the footrest. So there is a right and a left, and you're going to want the foot place to face inward. So there are two hanger bars here, and they're going to fit over the two pins. So just insert them over the pins, swing them in, and you'll hear it lock in place. And same for the other side. And these footrests are fully adjustable and have comfortable heel loops. All right, so your transport chair is fully assembled and ready to go. So what's so awesome about the 352 is that it has handbrakes for the companion. And so these are really key. So imagine if you're going down an incline or a slight hill or even just rough terrain, it allows the companion to really control the speed and stability of this transport chair, and most importantly, the person sitting right here. So they come with a Nova's patented handbrakes. They have the comfort molded hand grips, very comfortable on the hands, and then our feather touch handbrakes. So just pull up on those hand grips to control the wheels, control the speed, control that brake. And then these brakes also lock. So you can push down on the handles and it actually sets the brakes in a parked position. Ideal for parking, though, is using the hand lever brakes. So you can also park the transport chair by using these hand levers. Okay, so this transport chair is also really versatile in the fact that it has these desk or dining arms. So it allows you to roll the transport chair right up to a dining table. They also flip up, and that makes transferring the user so much easier, say from a car or a bed, and these armrests are also removable. All right, so then folding up this transport chair, it's so easy. So first you're gonna remove the footrest. You just lift over these release levers here, and that removes the footrest. All right, just like that. And then the back comes down by pushing down or lifting, pulling in on these little levers here. And the back just goes down. And then to fold it, you just pull up on the upholstery. And there you go. So compact, lightweight, so easy to take places. It's just such a versatile transport chair. All right, and lastly, the transport chair comes with a great user guide. So you can review this for usage, care, maintenance, and also our customer service information so you can contact us anytime.